Okay, today I'm going to show you how to grow some of the most delicious sprouts that are so easy. In just a few days, you can get these beautiful sprouts to use anytime you want to, fresh, right on the counter of your table. So the first thing you need is seeds. You can get these at your local food market, like the Indian grocery store. Look for the organic one. They're pretty inexpensive. Then next you would need a colander. Make sure you get a colander that has two trays. The one in the inside has holes, and the one outside does not have any holes. The holes are pretty small, so it pretty much can hold these seeds pretty well. You're going to soak these seeds overnight. Just pour water into the container, as you can see here, and allow the seeds to soak overnight. So once the seeds soaked overnight, it's going to swell up, and it's going to be a lot bigger than what it is right now, and they will no longer fall through the hole. Okay, so here are the seeds 10 hours later, and as you can see, they swell up a little bit, and they will no longer fall through the hole. And what you're going to do now is just drain the water out of the tray, give it a little rinse, and then lift the container, and then the water will fall right through. And there are some seeds that have fallen through yesterday. All you have to do is just pour them right back, and then allow the water to escape, and you can save those seeds. Okay, so now all you have to do is get a towel or just some paper towel as I have here, and just place it over the container to cover it up, and just put shield it away from lights for a few days. Okay, so now each day you're going to do this twice a day. You're going to take the seeds to the sink, pour the water in, and just let them sit. Make sure you spread the seeds out because you don't want them all clumped together, because once they start growing roots, they will not move anymore. So, right, what you want to do is just spread them out all evenly, and then just pour water on top, and then you just lift the container and then pour the water out, and that's it. Do that twice a day and you're all set. Okay, so here we are on day number two. They sprout so fast. And so you will see roots as soon as probably the first day. But here it is, what it looks like on the second day. Look very nice. And see, they're all spread out and good to go. Okay, so here they are on day number four. And as you can see, the plants are starting to grow a lot more. It's starting to have these green tips right here, and that is just normal. And they will continue to grow and get longer and longer. Okay, so here the sprouts are 6 days old, and as you can see, they've grown quite a bit. And at this stage, you can actually eat them if you want to. Just pull a few out and just eat them. And because the plants are tall now and the roots have dug through the colander, they're very easy to water because they won't move. Just all you have to do is just flood the container and then drain. And so do that again twice a day. Just flood it and then drain it. Just pour the water in, and then once you have it to over the plants, you just lift it up, and then the water will fall right through. And then you pour that water out, and then you cover the seeds again with the towel, put it right back, and then wait for a few more days. Okay, here we are on day number 10, and I have been eating these sprouts pretty much daily. I just pull out a few, eat them, and then put some water in, put them right back, and as you can see, they gotten so much taller. And so they will continue to stay fresh for probably another week or two. So eat them as you want, and then just keep them water, and they'll be good to go for another week. So that is pretty much all to growing fenugreek sprouts. It is so easy. Once you do this, you're going to come back and grow many, many more batches of this. They are delicious. And you can add them to your salad. You can just eat them raw. You can add them to your soups. They're just beautiful greens. And also, when you eat these, when you sweat, your body smells pretty much like maple syrup. So there's it's just something that's really really funny, but beautiful sprout. I love these things, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below, and thank you so much for watching.